Hi, how are you? Today you can see we're going to draw a nice drawing of emoji. So previously I have drawn a circle here. I've used this compass for the drawing of the circle. You can also use other instruments. Let's start the outline. First, we're going to draw the shape of the eyebrow here. This is the left one, and we're going to draw the eyes here. Also the eyes here. Okay. All right. For the hands, we're just putting in graphical presentations, and also for this one, which is going to be the left hand. All right, so we're going to fill the blank spaces here inside those outlines. Let's make it fully dark. Okay, and also this one is going to be fully dark. This is going to be fully dark too. And the hands, let's put a different color for that one. I'm going to put this wooden color. That's a dark yellow for the color of the hands here. So this is just the graphical presentations for the emoji. For the other part, we are also going to put the color. All right. Now we can put the blue color for the eyes here. So you can see the colors. The whole eye looks blue. We can also make this one little bold. So let's draw a bold outline here. Let's use a highlighter to make the color brighter. All right, so the color looks nice. This is a very nice drawing. I hope you like the video. You can also go through the playlist as you go to our channel and you can have lots of choices in different categories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.